Let's go! Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town. Right, cup of tea, green, you know. Yeah, chopping board, we're gonna make the tortilla chips. We're gonna make the nachos, baby. Plain tortillas. You can make these, tortilla. You can make these, but that's a long thing, man. You wanna have a party? It's bloody Christmas time, ain't it, ducky? So you wanna cut it in half like that, then in half again. We're gonna make them nice and big, then in half again, like pizza. Like czars, baby. Yes, you don't know the settings. Do that again with the other side. Gonna make them nice and big and crispy and chunky. Before we proceed, welcome to the Flavor Chaser Christmas Quiz. What is traditionally hidden inside a Christmas pudding? Is it A, an orange? Is it B, a ring? Is it C, a coin? Or D, sweets? Comment below your answer and you'll find out at the end of the video. Hurrah! Now we're back. We're gonna fry our tortilla triangles. You don't need too much oil because they float anyway. Tongs, check it's hot with one. Boom. Bang them in till they're golden brown. Give them a little mixer. Control your heat. See it there? Turn it down, turn down. They go golden. They're quick. I'm talking 30 seconds max. But you don't want to oversaturate them. So make sure you come with your blue roll. You know the stage. 25% less fat. You know the score, blood. Flipper. Drainer. Salty. And then what you want to do, turn your grill on. High power. That's how you melt your cheese, your cheddar cheese and mozzarella. But we'll get to that. Now, next thing, you want to salt your chips. See how much fat come off that then? Mad ting. Pink Himalayan. Haha. Barely any sodium in that. It's not bad for you. Guilt-free salty. Yes, man. Mad ting. God, I love this game. Now, you don't want too much salt on there because you got your salsa and your cheese. Now we're going to cheese them. Salsa and guacamole. If you don't know how to make those two things, you can click the cards at the top right. Click that and it'll take you straight how to make them. I released 3 videos today. I hope you like them. Right, British cheddar and mozzarella. We're going to melt this down. I know it's not good for you, but imagine them, you know them Christmas get-togethers. If we're allowed to have them, COVID-19. Bang that under your grill. You know, just to tear and share. It's just a nice little something. You're watching a movie with bae, yeah? You're gonna, you know, give her a little foot rub. You're gonna eat some nachos. You're gonna pat in the ting. You're gonna dippy. Ha ha ha. Oh, close to the nerve, that one. Now look at that bad boy. Oh, it's the money shot, baby. Hold tight the cheese lovers. Oh, man. You gotta love it, folks. Now we're gonna make this look a right mess. A hot mess. Guacamole, remember? Click the cards and go to my channel and you'll see how to make the most banging guacamole ever. I'm telling you. I'm not just saying it. It's not just me. Everyone says it. Everyone that has it says it. So, nah. Come behind that with your salsa. Hey! That's just tomatoes, onion, chili, some paprika, all that good stuff. Smoked salt. It's great. Oh, recipe for that on my channel too. Oh, we're smashing it. We're smashing it this Christmas time. On the second day of Christmas, Flavor gave to me spicy chili nachos with cheese and guacamole. Now, look at that. Beautiful. Don't mind if I do. Going straight in my basket. Lovely stuff, mate. Oh, brilliant. And the answer to the quiz question was C, a coin, for some unknown reason. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe.